In this video, I'm teaching you how to generate leads and get sales from your Instagram stories.
Okay.
So here's my step-by-step process to generate more leads. I'm giving you actionable steps right now. So as soon as you're done watching this video, you can implement these and start generating those sales and leads. But if you haven't already watched my how to get more comments and likes on your Instagram post, you definitely want to check out this video either right after this, because in that video, I give you guys the foundation of how to use Instagram stories, and it will make and connect the dots a lot more. So basically that's like the foundation, and this video to get those sales and leads is the next step. So definitely go back and watch that video. But basically what we're gonna be doing here is using the quizzes, polls, and questions section on Instagram stories. So we connect the dots so you can then start generating those sales and those leads. So first, you want to find out from your followers who is actually interested in the products or offers that you sell, that you offer, whatever it is that you do. This can be used for any niche on Instagram. So I'll go through a couple. Whether you're a personal trainer or a fitness inspiration, are you selling workout programs? Are you a trainer in a gym and looking for clients? Maybe you're an online business coach and you are wanting to get more students to enroll in your online courses. Maybe you're an online store or you have a boutique or something and you sell products like t-shirts or whatever it is online. Whatever it is that you do, you want to start using Instagram stories in order to find out, hey, are my followers even interested in what I have to offer? But we want to lead them down to start thinking and being in the mindset of selling and giving you their contact information. So how do you do that? You want to set up your Instagram stories to ask questions about the offer, the product, whatever it is that you're selling or that you're wanting to generate leads for to your followers. I'm going to give you guys a real life example of how exactly I use this to generate leads to get sales from my Instagram stories. So make sure that you watch all the way through to the end so you can see how all of this actually plays out in real life. So this is how you're gonna set up your Instagram stories. You're gonna probably use maybe 5, 6, 7, 8 Instagram stories like in a row. And you wanna start off with just like jumping on, being like, hey guys, how's it going? I have some questions for you guys about blank. Put in your niche. If this interests you, or if you are interested in learning more, if you guys could just like tap on through, vote on the polls, send the questions in, I would really appreciate it. If this doesn't apply to you, or if you are not interested, you guys can just swipe on through these next stories. You don't need to answer them, but I'm just looking to hear from the people that really are interested in this. Then you want to set up either using the polls or the questions feature, maybe even the quizzes that have got to do with your product, your offer, your service, whatever it is that you want to generate the lead or the sale for. So you want to start off with something kind of like a bigger bubble of a question and then kind of start niching it down. Basically, you want to tailor down the questions to eventually get the person viewing to a point where when you put up the offer, they're like, I need that. So basically, I'll put up an example of, say, fitness. Say, are you interested in seeing more or learning more from me about fitness? Yes or no, or something like that. Then be like, are you currently on a diet, or are you currently following a workout plan? Yes or no. Would you like a workout plan, or are you struggling with this, blah, blah, blah. Then the one thing that I definitely want you guys to incorporate into any sort of question series that you offer is ask your followers, what is the biggest struggle that you have with blank? And then put in whatever your niche is. This question is freaking amazing. I post this question every couple weeks, and the answers I get are so incredible because these are the answers that, one, they help me create new content, new YouTube videos, new Instagram posts. They also allow me to create, if I get a ton of the same struggles, I'm like, oh my God, this is a real thing. Like, people actually want to learn this. That could be a new product, a new online course for me to provide. The struggles are the biggest because those are the pain points of your followers, of your potential customers. So if you can answer those struggles and those pain points, that is pretty much an almost immediate sale if you've built up the trust and the relationship with those people. And then you will go into then probably like pitching the offer. Not saying, hey, okay, enroll into my $500 course or whatever that is. You don't want to do that. You don't want to like pitch a product right away, especially if it's a high price point. What you want to do is use your freebie. Now, if you've watched my previous videos, I'm all about giving away a freebie in order to get the person's email address, because that way you know that this person is a potential customer. You know that they are interested in what you have to offer and probably what you have to sell. So what you want to do is say, for example, at the end of like that fitness series, be like, well, great, I have a free 7-day detox program, or I have a free 7-day at-home workout program. You know, swipe up, click the link in bio, put in your email, and I will send it to you for free. So basically, with that series of questions, you've now generated a lead. You've got their email. Email is king. Email is gold from Instagram or any sort of social media, because we don't own Instagram. It can go away any day. You can get your account deactivated. Who knows? But basically, getting that email means then later on, you can use that email to know this person was interested in this product, and I'm now ready to launch a course or a product or whatever. You can send them an email and be like, hey, this course is ready. That's a whole nother story, but basically getting that email is king. And then from there, you can use the information from all the other stories that you posted in order to generate new content and also get into that person's DMs. So what I've kind of done in the past too is figuring out if people want to know more on how to grow and monetize their Instagram account. All the people that said yes, I then went through, and Instagram on the back end gives you all the people that said yes. You can instantly go in there, click the little arrow, send them a DM. And so what I would do is go through every single one of those submissions. And yes, there is a lot, but yes, this is worth it. And this does pay off in the end. Is I went through and I have a free Instagram training, which I've told you guys about. If you haven't registered for it, click the link below. But basically what I do is be like, hey Jennifer, I saw that you were struggling and wanting to learn more on how to grow and monetize your Instagram account. I have a free training coming up. Click this link here. You can copy and paste the link in. Instagram makes it clickable within the DMs, makes it super easy. She can then go in, register for that training, and then now I not only have her email address, she's registered for the training, and now she's going through my sales funnel. So there's a whole bunch of different ways in order to generate leads and sales from your Instagram stories. You just have to be smart and now start connecting all the dots. So give this video a thumbs up if you get it. If you are like, oh my gosh, did you just have an aha moment? They are the best. So if you just had an aha moment, screenshot this video right now, be like, aha, and make sure that you post it to your Instagram stories, tag me, I'm gonna repost it and share the love back for you guys. I hope you learned from this video so much, and I'm so excited for you guys to finally start using your Instagram stories to generate leads, generate sales, really get into that mindset of monetizing your Instagram account. Now, in the next video, I'm going to talk about how to use the link in your bio. I see so many people using the link in bio the wrong way. So make sure that you subscribe so you don't miss this upcoming video, to make sure that you're doing it the right way to generate leads, get that email, and you're not screwing it up. So thanks again for watching this video. I'll see you guys in the next one.